how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm at a new place called the Lucky Drive-In. Never been here before. In fact, I had to Google it. Got the sauce. We got the fries, which smell great. Just trying to get them out. It's that textured kind of French fry. I got the double barbecue burger. Right here. I'm gonna try their lucky sauce. So she said it was basically like ketchup, mayo, and some relish and some seasonings. So let's see. It looks a little chunkier than like the regular sauces I've encountered. Well, it tastes pretty good. That's what it looks like. Let's try this burger out. There she is. There's what she looks like. And the textured fries. Alright, well, I'm gonna eat lunch and I'll bring. So I also got a, besides a splurge, I got a chocolate peanut butter shake. But I forgot to grab a straw, so I might have to go back and get a straw. But they give you a spoon. Really thick shake. It tastes really good on a warm day, though, I'll tell you that. I gotta go back and get a straw because I forgot to get one. Alrighty, so what do I think of the burger? To be honest with you, for me personally, the burger seems a little lackluster, if I'm being honest. I don't know if I would make the top 5 or maybe even top 10 favorites. I need to go through and make a top 10 list of my favorites. I thought that it tastes bad, but I feel like, well, first of all, the bacon was, it seemed like it was that pre-cooked bacon you can get. That's all it seemed like. So I don't think they actually cooked actual bacon. And the beef was a little, I'd almost be willing to bet the beef was frozen. Beforehand. But, oh, I might be wrong. I mean, it wasn't bad. The fries were not my favorite. I don't know what they put on these fries to get them like that. But crinkle cut, of course, are my favorite because that's the one I talk about the most. The fry sauce is pretty interesting, though. I think I like the fresh sauce. When they add a little seasoning to it, it gives it a little extra kick. not no spicy, but it elevates the flavors. Oh. Fry sauce is pretty good. The shake though, man, the shake is banging. I still can't almost stir it. Well, now I can finally stir it because it's starting to melt a little bit. I need to go back and get a straw. The shake's really hitting though. The chocolate peanut butter just is a great combo. All right. Let's go ahead and cut to the menu. I'll go ahead and show you the menu, which I'll have to do at home, but they didn't have a very big menu, which I'm happy about. That way they can focus on making a good burger. Or making a, pretty okay burger. Well, we'll go ahead and cut to the menu. Alright, hope that's straight. It is not. Okay. So, here's the menu. Lucky's Drive-In. Open every day, 11 to 8. We have a school bus you can eat in as well. The location is Parkland. Alright. I guess that's the whole menu. Okay, so they got the Lucky Burger, the Double Lucky, the Mushroom and Swiss, the Double Backyard Burger, Bacon Ranch, Bacon Barbecue, Double Bacon Barbecue, which is the one I got. They got a Kids Burger. You can add on. Let's see, kind of small, but you can add on, grilled onions, bacon, jalapeno, mushrooms, tomato, extra cheese. You got your fries. They had chili. You can get chili cheese fries, hot dogs, chili dogs, which makes sense that they have chili. Then you get the shakes and the sauces. Oh, they had the homemade lemonade, which I didn't see that. You get your Coca-Cola products, and you get the Lucky sauce, ranch, spicy ketchup, garlic aioli. It's not a huge menu, which I appreciate. And of course, I'll link this menu down below so you can go check it out. Alright, there you go. There's the menu. It's worth a try. Excuse me. Camera. Yeah. Not bad overall. Digging the shake though. So. Anyway. Ooh. They damn near drop it. I do appreciate you watching. The description will have the playlist for local eats. Also, I'll put it on the end as well. Plus last week's the video I did last for this. And as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.